Beijing Zhuoao Technology Company was established in 2009, which is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of security barriers. Main products include hydraulic automatic bollards, fixed bollards, removable bollards, road blockers, tire killers, and modular vehicle barriers. The company operation office is situated in the Fengtai District, Beijing City. As the leading company in this industry, ZASP not only has rich experience in research and production, but also continually got the great performance in impact test between China and abroad. Our key products passed impact tests in China by GAT 1343 2016 standard. Also, the only Chinese supplier passed the ASTM, IWA, and PAS on overseas. During these years, we has more than 50 patents and nearly 10,000 projects around the world. ZASP products widely used in government, military, energy, airports, prisons, and schools, provide the high standard safety of perimeter protection. The manufacturing base is located in Hebei Province, covers more than 120,000 square meters. ZASP offers complete product series. It can provide consumers with different selections. In the development of the company, we have continuity R&D new products. Now we also can provide beam barrier, fence, decorative street bollards for overseas clients. In the past years, we were selling the products to almost 38 foreign countries, established good relationship and positive feedback from customers. Our company also provides OEM and ODM service and looking forward to cooperation with you.